English has two rules for making plural words that end in the letter Y. The first rule is when the letter before Y is a consonant. In this case, you change the Y to I and add E and S, making it IES. The second rule is when the letter before Y is a vowel like a, E, I, O, or U. In this case, you simply add the letter S to the end of the word. Let's look at examples for each rule. When a word ends with a consonant followed by Y, change the Y to I and add ES. For example, baby becomes babies, city becomes cities, lady becomes ladies, and candy becomes candies. Remember, consonants are all the letters that are not vowels, so check the letter right before the Y if it is a consonant. Apply this rule. When a word ends with a vowel followed by Y, simply add the letter S. For example, boy becomes boys, day becomes days, key becomes keys, and toy becomes toys. The vowels are a, E, I, O, and U, so if you see one of these letters before the Y, just add S to make it plural. Here is a quick comparison of both rules side by side. On the left, we have words with consonant plus Y. Baby becomes babies, city becomes cities, and party becomes parties. On the right, we have words with vowel plus Y. Boy becomes boys, day becomes days, and key becomes keys. Notice the difference in how the plurals are formed. Let's practice with more examples. Baby becomes babies, city becomes cities, lady becomes ladies, and party becomes parties. All of these follow the first rule because there is a consonant before the Y. Take time to identify the letter before Y in each word, and you will know which rule to use. Now let's practice with vowel plus Y words. Boy becomes boys, day becomes days, key becomes keys, and toy becomes toys. In each of these words, you can see that the letter before Y is a vowel, so we simply add S to make them plural. This rule is simpler than the first one. To identify which rule to use, follow 3 simple steps. First, look at the letter right before the Y. Second, check if that letter is a consonant or a vowel. Third, apply the correct rule based on what you found. If it is a consonant, change Y to IES. If it is a vowel, just add S. With practice, this becomes automatic. Here are common mistakes to avoid. Remember that the vowels are a, E, I, O, and you don't write boy as boys. The correct plural is boys. Don't write city as cities. The correct plural is cities. Always remember to check the letter before Y. This will help you avoid these mistakes and use the correct plural form.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.